Are you interested in a way to pay the bills without the stress of a commute? Well, there's a lot of work from home jobs around. There's lots, and one is proofreading. Okay, if you can spot errors, okay, and you're very precise, proofreading may be the gig for you. Now, to be 100% transparent, these jobs can be very hard to get, and they don't even pay that well. But I'm gonna go over them because I made this blog post about it, and I mostly made this for myself because I was looking into it for me. Okay, so there's a bunch of places here that I looked into, and I'll just kind of tell you what they pay and what you do and kind of what the requirements are. There's like a test. Each place actually has a test, okay? Some are timed and some are not. But one is polish paper, and as you can see, it's around $15 to $45 an hour, okay? The hours are super flexible, and you would choose which assignments to pick. And the platform's available 24/7. You can go there, you can pick up work, okay? The cool thing is they look at your results, not your history. So if you have zero experience in proofreading, they can hire you, okay? Now, the cool thing, another cool thing about them is they have a test, but it's not timed and it's open book. So you take your time, okay? And I even gave you some resources right here in this blog post on exactly the gold standard of proofreading, okay? You can get the answers from there, okay? And yeah, that's it. And it's open book, so if you take that test, triple check everything before you submit it, okay? All right. The next place, proofreadingservices.com, this is very hard. 0.33% applicants get hired, okay? It's a 20-minute time test, okay? It's timed, okay? And yeah, you have to know your stuff, so that's not easy, okay? And there's in this blog post, I actually have a couple other places as well. And as you can see, like Grammarly, the pay is 10 to 20 bucks an hour. But they are very flexible, and you can do it from home. You can do it around your schedule. So if you are great at proofreading and spotting errors, this could be your gig, okay? There's another place called Proofreading Pal, and this is where everything gets reviewed by a second person, okay? And there's ClickWorker, okay? And this is for like microtask, and first you have to prove yourself as a writer, and if you're good, then you can move up to being a proofreader, okay? And as you can see, the pay is the same, 10 to 20 bucks an hour, okay? Another really cool idea, which I really like, is Fiverr, okay? It's like freelancing. And what's so nice about Fiverr is people come to you, so you can create the gig, and people come to you rather than Upwork, where you have to go to them and you actually have to fight with other people for that one job. It's like psychological. It's like you have the power kind of a thing. And you could set your own prices. It's totally flexible as well. So that's another amazing idea. If you like proofreading, is you can start a Fiverr gig. And the cool thing nowadays is, this is just one idea of some work from home jobs that you can do. There really are a lot more. And if you love reading, like, for example, I love reading. I just picked up this book right here about Mexico, a traveler's history. And there's actually ways you can get paid to read a book, right? And then kind of summarize it and give your opinion. And you can make some pretty good cash doing it. So it's badass. And they don't have to be boring stuff that you're proofreading. It could be like adventure novels, mystery, romance, or whatever. And what you write, it's only like 300 words, and you make pretty good cash. I mean, this blog post is at least 1,000. I'm used to, so that's 300. It's easy. I think it's 300. But I'll put the link down below to that video, and I'll put it on the screen, popping up as well. And I'll also put the link to this blog post down below as well. That way you have all these resources, because I gave you a bunch of tips in this blog post, as well as how to get to the websites and cheat sheets for those tests, and so maybe it might help you if you still want to do the proofreading stuff, which looks kind of hard. So I hope this video might be a little bit helpful to you. That's all. Because I looked at this for myself, because I love experimenting with new ways of jobs, but I got so many projects going on. But anyways, I'm rambling. Anyways, you have a wonderful rest of your day. Okay. All right. Bye.